Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel a dispatched order on Amazon. This can be really helpful if you've changed your mind about a purchase or accidentally ordered something you don't need. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with various choices. From this menu, click on Orders. This will take you to a page displaying all your recent purchases and their current status. Now, I don't have any active orders at the moment, but I'll walk you through exactly what you'd see and do next. Once you're on the Orders page, you'll need to locate the specific order that's been dispatched and that you want to cancel. Look through your list of orders and find the one marked as dispatched. Next to that order, you'll see a button that says either View or Edit Order or Track Package. Click on that button to open up the detailed view of your order. On the Order Details page, you'll find an option labeled Cancel Items. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a list of all the items included in that particular order. Here's where you choose exactly what you want to cancel. Check the box next to the item or items you wish to cancel. You can select one item or multiple items depending on your needs. After selecting your items, you'll notice a drop-down menu asking you to select a reason for the cancellation. This step is optional, but Amazon uses this feedback to improve their service, so feel free to pick the reason that best fits your situation. Once you've made your selection or chosen to skip this step, click on the button that says Cancel Checked Items. Finally, a confirmation prompt may appear asking you to verify your decision. If it does, simply click Cancel Order to finalize the cancellation. And that's it. Your dispatched order is now in the process of being canceled. Keep in mind that if the item has already shipped, you may need to refuse delivery or initiate a return instead. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.